So here we have these two gaming chairs. Now in this video, I'm going to compare them to see which one is right for you. And in my opinion, between these two chairs, there is a pretty clear winner. Alright, so on the left is the Dowinx gaming chair, and on the right is the Shahoo gaming chair. I got both of them in this black color, but they do have a range of other colors you can choose from. Now starting off with the similarities, they both basically have the same armrests. They both have nice comfortable lumbar support pillows, as well as pillows for your head. And both of them have a decent length USB cord you can use to plug them in to activate the massager. This one does actually have a button you can use to turn it on and off, where with this one you actually have to unplug it. They're also both covered in a faux leather. They have a nice thick bottom cushion. The seat cushions are both nice and firm. They're pretty comfortable, but this one is just a little bit thicker. And you'll also notice that this chair has a nice flat seat, where this one has these wings that kind of curve up on the edges. This one does have a bit more cushioning on the back though compared to this one. And there's also lots of cushioning up here as well as around the sides here, where with this chair those areas are pretty much just hollow. Also, both of them have extra levers that allow you to recline them back at a pretty comfortable angle. But anyway, now let's take a look at some of the bigger differences. And the biggest difference is going to be that the Shahoo chair has this extendable footrest. It doesn't extend super far, but when you're laying back in the chair, you can kind of rest your legs on this, and it's pretty comfortable. The casters on this chair, though, are just these standard cheap plastic casters, where this one has casters that are just a little bit more of an upgrade. It has a hardened plastic base, and this one has a nice sturdy metal base. I definitely prefer the metal base, but the plastic one is still plenty strong enough to hold your weight. Another pretty big difference is going to be the price. The Dowinx chair is about $140, where the Shahoo chair is about $30 cheaper. As far as overall looks, the Dowinx chair definitely gets the upper hand on that. It just has a lot more stitching. The diamond stitching looks really cool, and overall I do like the look of this chair better. So yeah, with all that being said, I think the Dowinx chair is a pretty clear winner. It just looks a bit better. It has more cushioning, so it's more comfortable, and the seat is easier to clean.